Welcome to today's video. I am the Hooded Lid and today I have a new product for you. This is limited edition lipsticks from Hermes. This is their second limited edition launch, and I guess this is the summer one. I don't know because it just came out recently. Here they are. There are three. I got these at Nordstrom's and I just got them yesterday. There's only one left on Nordstrom's. I also hopped over to the Hermes site and there's two left on the Hermes site. I'm not sure where else you can get them. You may be able to get them in Europe. You might have all three of them in Europe, but we're going to go through all three of them anyway. The packaging is the same. It's the same by Pierre Hardy, but the colors are different and I'm all about it. It has such a chic kind of Mary Quant, Paco Rabanne, early 60s vibe to it. We have the nice emblem here, the name here. You can't necessarily read it, but it's here. And like with the other lipsticks, it comes in the box with the cutout right here, that you can see an orange cofferette. Here comes the cofferette. Like yay. You push that out and it comes in its little cover. I forget what they're called. And this one is like canvas. It's just like the other ones. So it's not canvas per se, but it's not silk and it's not velvet, and I'm glad for that. It's not pretending to be something it's not. And Hermes was a line. Go watch my Hermes video if you want to know where they came from. But bridal stuff, as in horses, nay. So it makes sense to me that they would do something like that. Or in leather. Maybe they should do it in leather because it ain't cheap, you guys. These are $67, the regular ones. These limited edition, they're $72. So for $72, for me, I have to like the color. So let's do some lip swatching and hand swatching and some comparison swatching. Rose Pommette or Rouge Hermes. And this is kind of a yellow, but it has a little brightness to it. I don't know what you could say. Maybe kind of an electric yellow. And this looks like it's dark brown, maybe black. Black. This is what she looks like. This is what she swatches like. And they are calling this a joyful, vibrant pink with wild rose. And on the lips. This is a vibrant rose, but it's not too vibrant. Like, I pulled out a couple of things. I don't have a lot in the mid-tone pink. It's an area I was really interested in maybe a year and a half ago, and I kind of went nuts, but I never got something that was just like perfect. So I have a couple of things I can do comparison swatches to, but I wasn't able to find something that went with this. This is really unique, and it's not unique. You wouldn't look at it and go, it's the most unique thing I've ever seen. But it is unique when I look at my collection. I was thinking maybe Rainbow Spill from Lisa Eldridge, but as you can see, Rainbow Spill is quite a bit more vibrant. So I did a very quick 15-minute look through my lipsticks and pulled out a couple of things to match these three, but I could not find anything to match this. And it's very comfortable, just like the other Hermes lipsticks. It's also very, very scented. And if that scent was too much for you, you're not going to like it. I thought after having them for a few days, and I pulled one out and put it on, I thought, oh, the scent seems to have dissipated. But no, I was mistaken, and I imagine it will be the same thing with these. I can't understand why you would scent a lipstick, especially so strong, because the scent's not vanilla or chocolate or something you want to eat. It smells like perfume. And Hermes has some beautiful, beautiful perfumes. This is not one of them. It's not a beautiful scent to me. It's just a perfume scent, and it's uncomfortable. Let's go on to the next swatch. Rose Ombre, and they're calling this a soft rosewood. There are a million 1,000,001 lipsticks that use the word rosewood, and they tend to mean actually cool, teeny bit of mauve. This is what it looks like. And again, this is brown and blue, and I really like these colors. And this is on the hand. And when I look at the hand, this isn't the typical rosewood. The rosewoods I think of have a little more blue than this does. Let's put it on the lips. Now, to me, this is a Your Lips But Better for my lip color. My lip color actually has a little more pinkness in it than this, but it feels so comfortable. And if you're wanting to go for something like your lip color, but you don't want to go without lipstick, because the lipstick makes your makeup look finished. So if you're wearing a face of makeup that's fairly neutral and you just want to be neutral, this color will make you look finished and neutral if your lips are around my color. As far as what do I have that might go with this, I'm thinking there's just one thing. A Giorgio Armani. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's in 104. And I've had it for a while. It's possible they don't make it anymore. This is what it looks like. And there's the Armani. To me, the Armani is really similar in tone, but it's not as deep as this one. And I hardly ever wear this. When I put it on in the store, I thought, oh yes. And when I tried it on at home, I thought, you know what? It makes me look a little sick. It makes me look like I'm dying. It's a little too light for me. So it's a good replacement. But for you, if you want something lighter and you can't find this or you don't want to pay 72 bucks for it, that's something to consider. Now this is Smashbox Ambition, and I just want to see. There it is. I think it's actually pretty darn close. I'm going to make that swatch a little bit bigger. I would say the Smashbox has a little more liveliness to it, a little more color, a little more pink nature versus this one. Finally, we have Rose Nuit. Unfortunately, I don't have a description for this one because it is sold out on the Hermes site, and that's where I got the descriptions. I couldn't find descriptions on Nordstrom's, and this is the color. I really, really like this color. This is the matte, so the other two are satins. And there we go. This is like a perfect mid-tone pink. If mid-tone pink is your jam, let's put it on and then we'll do some swatching. I love this. I don't know. Sometimes I put it on, I'm like, I don't love it. It's okay. And then sometimes like, yes, this is the perfect mid-tone pink. So here it is here, and I have another Giorgio Armani I want to share with you, and I have Indian Rose from Tom Ford. So here's the Indian Rose for Tom Ford, and honestly I feel like there's more vibrancy, more pink in the Rose Nuit, and the Tom Ford kind of lies between the Ombre and the Nuit. It's brighter than the Ombre, but not as bright as Nuit. Giorgio Armani 102. And I bought this one recently along with the Tom Ford. I was just going through a pink thing, and it's right here. I love this color on me, and I might love it more than this color. This one, I don't know, you guys. They're both mattes, interestingly enough. Let's put on the Armani. This Armani I have worn several times in videos, and I just think it's a great Your Lips But Better color. I'm going to have to put this in the computer, and I will see which one I like better, or if I feel they're close enough not to have both. But this is this Giorgio Armani. This is the Indian Rose from Tom Ford, which is also really in that range. Smashbox Ambition. Rose Ombre, and the one I really don't have a match for, which is the Rose Pommette. And that's it. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you want any of these, I really hope you can find them because they seem to be selling out. Until we meet again, be safe and smart, and I'm wishing you good health.